Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review of Headspace. Headspace is one of the most popular apps for mental health. It has about 2.8 million subscribers and it has a lot of features that is around sleep assistance, guided meditation, resources for mindfulness, managing anxiety, and lots more. It's one of the most comprehensive apps for mental health self-care out there. Now, when it comes to pricing, Headspace comes at a monthly subscription of $12.99. That is $12.99. For those who are still shopping around, there's a 14-day trial that lets you try out the features for free first. Users who swear by Headspace and use it regularly prefer the annual subscription plan, which works out to be more economical at $69.99. There's also a family plan for $99.99 that lets users add up to 6 family members. Businesses can reach out to the company for custom plans catering to employees' well-being and EAP services. Now, when we look at the features, Headspace has a huge library of 500 plus guided meditation content around body scanning, grounding techniques, stress management, relaxation, and more. When it comes to mindfulness, Headspace offers specific techniques catering to different areas of a user's life, like mindful spending, eating, or tech usage. You see, the sleep aids on Headspace are one of the app's most loved features, from soothing music, sleep casts, and stories to fall asleep to science-backed sleep meditation, exercises, and even sleep hygiene tips. The app offers it all. Users can also reach out to personal mental health coaches for text-based support when needed. And when it comes to the review, Headspace is rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars on the App Store, with users praising the app's offerings around mindfulness, guidance, pain management, and insomnia assistance. As one user reviewed, "I have learned to manage stress and anxiety in a way that I had never thought was possible." So what are you waiting for? Why don't you try out the 14-day free trial of Headspace and see what it's all about? Hope you found this video helpful.